Hey everybody, Al Williamson with leadinglandlord.com.
Hi, Rochelle here.
And Rochelle is one of the superstars from the Airbnb for Landlords course, and we wanted to show you her numbers and her story.
Yes, that's right.
So this is you, and one thing that you were interested in was doing rental arbitrage for business travelers.
That's right. That's what I wanted to focus mostly on. I didn't want the headache of having to, clean it every 3 days or every week or manage it and who's next, and I didn't want that.
Yeah, right. And this is what your place looked like. It was this nice little house.
Thank you.
And you found this on Craigslist?
I did. Actually, I take that back. I found the house next door on Craigslist. So it's two houses on one lot. I went and met with the homeowner.
Mm-hmm.
This was like 6 months prior to me getting this little, I call it, charming. It's called charming.
Charming unit, yeah.
Charming unit.
So we got this place, and then you did some great furnishings to it. You got this little kitchen table, and you were borrowing, being very resourceful.
I was being extremely resourceful. I had, a smaller budget, and I went shopping.
Yeah.
I went online. I called you.
Yep.
I asked for recommendations from your Facebook group.
Yep.
And then I just took pieces that I already had in I had a storage shed full of some odds and ends, and then I went and just based on my budget found the pieces that would work for this unit.
You said the sofa's on a consignment shop?
Yeah, it was. That's one of the benefits. You just go to your local consignment shop, and you know what? You can barter with them too.
Yeah. And then you got a queen size bed, right?
My beachy room. Yeah,
Yeah.
That's what I call it. It's Serenity. Let's get to the meat and potatoes.
Because you negotiated a great price for your rental.
I did.
Using what you knew about Reno, because you ended up getting $900
Yes.
a month
Yes.
net income
Net.
on a
baby.
place that you didn't even
Oh.
own.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why she's a superstar. You charged him $2,100.
I did.
Per month.
Yes.
Okay, and then you paid your landlord.
I paid the owner of the home.
You paid them $800.
$850.
$850, and then you had internet bill.
Correct.
Electricity, gas, and renter's insurance, and some things like that.
Yeah.
So
Roughly about $350.
$350. Okay, and that left you the net of $900 every month just coming into your account.
Yes.
On a property you don't even own.
Equals happiness.
Yes,
And smiles.
yeah. And if there's a big expense, if the roof starts leaking, you don't have to pay that.
No, I just make a phone call.
Just make a phone call. That's amazing.
That's what I do.
Let's look closer. So your startup costs all together,
For about $4,100.
that's your security deposit,
Yes.
that's your first month's rent,
Correct.
and your furnishings,
And my furnishings.
all wrapped up.
Yeah.
And then of course we got that $900 coming in. So that means you made all your money back in four
I know.
4.5 months.
Love it.
Which is just, it's an amazing business model.
It is.
Getting all your money back.
Yes. Very fortunate.
That's 120% return on your investment the first year.
That's right. Yeah. It's easy. It can be done. I did it. I'm doing it.
That's amazing. So what it is, one thing is, you could have borrowed that the 4,100.
Right. Honestly, I wish I would have done that. I would have loved to help out an investor, and it would have been a lot easier for me.
Because you wouldn't even have that initial chunk of so much.
Exactly. And I could have increased it a little bit and maybe got a somewhat different furnishings.
Yeah.
I was really, just wanted to stick to my budget.
Yeah.
But, going forward, that's what I'm going to do.
So
every time.
You could have
Use an investor's money.
talked to an investor.
Yes.
Paid them back. You could have paid them back in 5 months.
Yes.
And then this whole cash flow stream would have been yours from then on out.
Right on.
Just an amazing.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing this.
You're welcome. No problem.
And if you're interested in starting your own rental arbitrage business, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.